Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. First of all, I introduce myself. Namaskar. I am Aditi Sarkar. I am studying in final years of Masters in Department of Management at Government College of Commerce, Chattogram. And thanks to my dear respected Nitu Chaudhary ma'am, Associate Professor of Government Commerce College, Department of Management. She supervised me very quietly, and again thanks for giving me a chance to presentation. Thank you. Now let's know about my presentation. My presentation topic is AI monitoring for workplace harassment prevention. First, let's start with the topic cover. Topics covered are: what is AI for harassment prevention, forms of AI monitoring, benefits of AI monitoring, ethical and legal consideration, implementation of consideration, implication for Bangladesh Chittagong, and conclusion. Abstract: AI for harassment prevention. Workplace harassment is a global issue. AI enables proactive prevention via automated detection and SAFA reporting. This paper explored AI rule and ethical legal challenges. Success demands transferred governments, strong data protection, and ethical that priorities employee rights and trust. Forms of AI monitoring: anonymous reporting boards, communication monitoring, behavioral monitoring, interaction analysis, training, and interventions. Benefits of AI monitoring: proactive detection. AI detects subtle communication patterns, link incidents, and resolves remote work issues early. Data driving insights: AI aids investigation, drives target training, and minimize human bias in incidents evaluation. SAFA reporting: AI powered system provide confidentially reporting channels, reduce retaliation fears, and accelerate HR investigations. SAFA online platforms: AI improves content moderation by flagging offensive language and in enabling automated safety feature like blocking. Ethical and legal consideration: privacy and consent. Monitoring must be proportionate and transferred with employers clearly defining data use and obtaining informed consent. Fairness and bias accountability. AI system can amplify bias. Regular edits are essential. Implement remediation process for effective employees. Psychology safety. Intrusive surveillance breeds trade balance monitoring with empowerment to build trust, not fact. Regularity complaints. AI tools must comply with labor, data protection, and anti-discrimination laws through legal vetting is essential. Human oversight. AI must not operate alone. Human judgment remains essential for contextual interpretation and ethical deployment. Complementation consideration. Human and oversight is key. AI assists HR, it doesn't replace them. AI all alerts need human review for context before action. Transparency and communication. Companies must be transparent about monitoring data use and privacy. Mitigating bias. AI models need diverse data and regular bias edits to avoid reinforcing exciting bias. Balancing privacy. Organization must respect employee privacy rights. Implication for Bangladesh Chattogram. Persistent problem. Workplace harassment is underreported due to stigma and fear, especially in manufacturing and service sectors. Reporting increase. SAFA reporting mechanism have led to significant increase in reported incidents, empowering works. Implication challenges. Gaps in data protection law, work literacy, digital access, and cultural norms pose hurdles for AI adopting. At last, conclusion: responsible in Bangladesh. All hold strong potential for prevention workplace harassment in Bangladesh, especially in Chittagong. Success depends on local adaptation, accounting for digital literacy and cultural norms, prioritizing trust, inclusivity, and robust ethical safeguards. AI must complement, never replace, human oversight and education. With the site approach, Bangladesh can lead South Asia in responsible AI for protecting workplace dignity. And thank you for watching my presentation.